problem solution. So we all have the same problem, missing battery covers from James and Gordon and other characters, same. Now over the year I designed one battery cover. This is I don't know if you've seen my videos, FDM or filament, which it did not include the little tabs or legs, but it did help and fix the problem. The missing battery cover was good. Now the original is very hard to find, the original battery cover, but they fit the same. But Gordon is kind of tight. Here is the original on James. Snug. Problem with Gordon. We need to do a lot of pressure force it. So I did my prototype. Prototype is right here. This has been painted. I know someone's gonna say, but there is black resin. I know. I already did my research, but that kind of resin will not stand the mechanical forces snapping in and out of the tender. It will break the tabs. This was a failed paint, and actually was my first resin battery cover. Now we have completed and finished the final product, but there is no black resin available in the market. I tried ABS, but it will not work. ABS like resin, so I stay with a different kind of. So test James. There is the battery cover. The only thing we gotta do is do some primer, paint, and good to go. Now if you notice, when I swapped the original battery cover from James to Gordon, it was kind of tight, so we need to do a little bit extra force to snap this battery cover in Gordon. But we have fixed the problem, so we're no longer going to have to deal with the battery covers. But here's the thing, we need to wait until I finish my test, because I don't want to risk having this available and they will break over the use. So I need to do a lot of tests, but we have a good design. It's not perfect, I know it's not perfect, it is side by side, but it's a good replacement. There's the battery cover. Good. Now Gordon is the problem that I'm noticing. It's different, but it needs kind of a tricky way to snap it in. If we snap it in from this side to the other side, this side first, it's giving me a hard time the other side. So it's like you need to know how to do it. But it's working. So we have a solution for this problem. Now you can also do this by yourself, design these battery covers. It is not really hard, just a little bit of practice, and then you are good to go. So this was my first designs, which I did with filament, not experience obviously, but it gave me decent results fixing the problem with the battery covers. I did some battery covers with the tabs that, let me see if I can find them. See that right there? James, Gordon, James. And these are actually, I haven't removed the supports. Huge difference when you are improving over the time with your prints. What I mean is, I don't know if you can see the difference right here, side by side. See that? Better results. See that? Wow, it looks really good. It looks better, like almost like a resin finish. But I stopped producing these. It was not worth. Look at that, beautiful. The problem is it's not worth to sell these battery covers with on eBay just for one battery cover. It's very expensive. You know, transaction is the most important thing, the transaction, and not because eBay eats a lot in shipping. It's going to, the sale goes to shipping, a lot of fees and blah blah blah. But anyways, that's the reason I hardly consider having one of these things available. Neither the files. Let me tell you about the files. You can make them, but you cannot distribute. That's prohibited. That's the one of the main reasons a lot of people don't understand that we cannot distribute the files. Yes, you can sell some, but not a lot. But that's the reason I also don't sell a lot of things. You're allowed to make, but not to distribute. Right? That's the reason you are never gonna find those files anywhere available. I mean, there were available some, but not anymore. Let me know what you think.